I will show you how to multiply 3-digit numbers with 3-digit numbers. So let's take an example. For example, we need to multiply 3, 1, 6 and 799. So what we have to do? First, we need to multiply the ones digits, and then we have to write and whatever, if we multiply 9 into 6, then the answer will be 54. 4 will be the ones digit and 5 will be carried, and then we will multiply these two digits and do the same, then these 3 digits, and then these and these. So let's do it. 9 into 6 is 54. So 4 we will write here, 5 will be carried. 9 into 1, 9. 9 6 are 54. 63 plus 5 is 68. We will write 8 here and 6 will be carried. Now 9 into 3 is 27. 27 plus 42, then plus 9, that will be 78. 78 plus 6 will be 84. We will write 4 here and 8 will be carried. Then 9 3s are 27. Add 7, then carried 8. We will add 34 to 8, which will be 42. 2 we will write here and then 4 will be carried. Then 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4 will be 25, and this is your answer. Let's take another example. Suppose we need to multiply 461 and 262. Again, 2 1s are 2 is 2. 6 2s are 12 plus 6, 8. 1 will be carried. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, add 36. 46 plus this one carried, 47. 4 will be carried. Now 6 into 4 is 24. 24 plus 12, 36. 36 plus this 4 added will be 40. 0 and 4 will be carried. Now 4 into 8 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So this is your required answer. Now I will show you how to multiply 4-digit numbers with 4-digit numbers. Suppose you need to multiply 4128 with 3812. So as I told, first we need to multiply these two digits and the number we will get, that is 16. 6 will be the ones digit and 1 will be carried. Then we will multiply these two and these two, add the sum, then these two, these two, these two. Then we will again add the sum, then carried part we have to do it, and then these and these. Then 4 into 1, 2 into 3 plus this, write the sum, then sum of these two, and finally 4 into 3. So let's do it. 8 into 2 is 16. 6. 1 will be carried. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus this one carried, 13. 3 and this one. 2 ones are 2. 8 8s are 64. 66. 66 plus 2 is 68. 68 plus 1, 69. 9, and then there 6 will be carried. Now 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 24 will be 32. 32 plus 16, 48. 48 plus 1, 49. 49 plus this 6 carried will be 55. So I will write 5 here, and 1 5 will be carried. Now 4 into 1 will be 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. Write 3 here. 2 will be carried. Now multiply. 4 into 2 will be 32. 32 plus 3 will be 35. 35 plus 2, these 2 carried, will be 37. Write 7 here. 3 will be carried. Then 4 into 3 will be 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So this is your answer. Now I will show you how to multiply 5-digit numbers with 5-digit numbers. For example, we need to multiply 3124 with 52435. Here again we need to follow the same steps. We need to multiply these two. We have to write the 20. We will get 20. 0 will be the 1 digit. 2 will be carried. Then again we will multiply these two. Then these and these. We will add the sum. Then 5 into 1, 4 into 2, plus 2 into 3, plus 7 into 4. Again we will multiply 3 into 5, 4 into 5, 3 ones are 3, 7 into 2, 4 into 2, and add the sum. After we are done with all the 5 digit, we will multiply 3 into 3, 7 into 5, 4 into 1, 2 into 2, and then again multiply, add the products. 3 into 2, 5 into 1, and last 5 into 3. So let's do it. 5 into 4 will be 20. We will write 0 here. 2 will be carried. Then we will multiply 7 into 5, which is 35, plus 12, which will give us 47. 47 plus this 2 carried will give us 49. So we will write 9 here and 4 carried. Now 5 into 10 plus 16 plus 21, 47 plus this 4 carried is 51. Write 1 here and this 5. Now 5 into 1, 5 plus 8 plus 6 plus 28, 47 plus this 5 carried, 52, 2. Write here, 5 carried here. Now 5 3s are 15 plus 20 plus 3 plus 14, then plus 8. We will have 60. 60 plus this 5 carried will be 65. We will write 5 here. 6 will be carried. Now we will multiply these 4, which will give us 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 35. 35 plus 4. Again plus 4. 52 plus this 6 carried will be 58. Write 8 here and 5 carried. Now 4 3s are 12 plus 10 plus 2, 24. This 5 added, 29. Write 9 here and 2 will be carried. Now 3 into 2, 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 3, 1 carried. 5 3s are 15 is, and then we add this one, we will get 16. So this is your answer. 16398529190.